Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install VNC Server on AlmaLinux 9. The first step you need to take before installing VNC Server is to decide which desktop environment you want to use. First, run the following command to add the EPEL repository to your system. Next, run the following command to install your system's XFCE desktop and XORG packages. Input Y to confirm the installation, then press Enter to proceed. Once XFCE and XORG are installed, run the following command to set up the default startup of your server to use a GUI or a graphical environment. After installing the desktop environment, the next step is to install the VNC server on your AlmaLinux server. In this example, you will be using TigerVNC server to create your VNC server. First, you need to create a new user to run the VNC server. In this demo, you will create a new user named GreenCloud. Next, execute the following command to add the user GreenCloud to the wheel group. With the new user created, you will now be installing the TigerVNC server package on your system. Run the following command to install the TigerVNC server package on your system. With the new user created and the TigerVNC server installed, you're now ready to set up the VNC server via the TigerVNC server. Next, execute the following command to log in as the user GreenCloud. Run the following command to create a new VNC directory and a new VNC configuration file. Insert the following configuration. Save and close the file when you're done. Next, run the following command to create a new password for your VNC server. Input the new password and repeat. When asked to set up a view-only password, input and to disable it or Y to configure it. Continue to open the following file. Add the following line to the file. Save the file and close the editor when finished. Next, run the following command to reload the systemd manager. Then, start and enable the VNC server. Lastly, run the following command to verify the VNC server status. If everything goes well, you should see the following output. In this section, you will learn how to connect to the VNC server securely via SSH tunneling. Before you begin, ensure that the VNC client software is installed on your local machine. On your local machine, run the following SSH command to create an SSH tunnel to the VNC server. In this demo, the VNC server has this IP address, and we'll be using the user GreenCloud to create the tunneling. Now, open the VNC client application on your local machine and connect to it. You can access the VNC server via localhost because you have created a secure SSH tunnel to the VNC server with port 5901. When you get the warning about unencrypted connections, click Continue. Input the VNC server password when prompted and click OK to confirm. If you have the correct password for your VNC server, you should get the default desktop environment that you're using. In this demo, the default desktop environment is XFCE. Finally, you've successfully installed VNC Server with TigerVNC Server and XFCE desktop on your AlmaLinux 9 machine.